Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching Techno Right. What's going on guys, welcome to Techno Right Technology, it's Sunray. So today I'm going to teach you on how to fix dead freezes in Overwatch in middle of the match, and the only way to close it is to use Task Manager to end Overwatch tasks. So it's a very simple fix, let's get straight into it. First, what you're going to do is you're going to open Battle.net. You can see Overwatch 2 here. You're going to click on the settings here and click on game settings. Okay, and this line here, it will be unchecked, so you're going to take this additional command line arguments and you're going to paste this command. This command will be in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it here and make sure to click done, and now you can play and the freezes will be fixed. So that's all for me guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.